Welcome back to yet another low effort video about OPNsense 26.1. This time Dnsmasq DNS and DHCP with Unbound. You will see the text on the screen right now. Basically all we will touch to make this work in Dnsmasq and for Unbound. So Dnsmasq and Unbound. I already did all the configuration this time, so I don't have to segue to my sponsors. Anyway, let's get to it. We have Dnsmasq DNS and DHCP. For the interface, select your interfaces where you want this to work. Change the port to something that is not in use, 53053, and check do not forward to system defined DNS servers. Right, domains, nothing for now. Hosts, static leases, host overrides, the usual suspects. DHCP ranges, so your scopes, same as they were in ISC. Pretty much. The domain, you can select which domain you will offer the clients. I'm using the default one on LAN. Options, I'm using domain search for my LAN. You don't have to. The boot and the tags empty. And we go to Unbound, General, Enable of course, Listen port 53, LAN and VLAN 30. I excluded one here, but you can leave it in. And I choose to flush the cache during reload. You don't have to. There are no overrides, nothing changed in the advanced, no access lists. Block list, personal preference. Query forwarding is where the magic happens. So because I am using lan.opensense.pro here, we want to send this traffic, these lookups to the Dnsmasq. So localhost Dnsmasq. Same thing for VLAN, and for the reverse lookups, this is my LAN, same thing. And you apply and you save, and we can take a look at it. Commercial break. Okay, we are back. So let's do that from the start. Let's look up the dev.vnc, which is this device. We ask Unbound. Unbound doesn't know where this is, so he asked Dnsmasq, and this is the IP of this device. Looks good. Let's do the same thing, but we ask Google DNS, actually Cloudflare. Yeah, it's 11 instead of 10 because I put something else there. So we bypassed Unbound and we got the public answer. Looks good. Let's do a quick network test. Yep, flawless. I will leave a link for the documentation, the official documentation, where you can actually learn. Alright, bye.